All right, now we're going to introduce the new Fun Scale Models and Rabid Models hinge slot tool. We need to come up with a good name for this thing, but you can see it has a slot for a knife blade and a pen, and this one is sized to 3/32 and it has a slight taper, so it's very easy to fit like that. So, how do you mark the center line of a thin leading edge like this with a pen? Well, with this tool, you put it on, take your pen, stick it in the hole, and move it back and forth. Perfect center line mark. All right. Now, if we want to put a CA hinge in this, this one is sized for a scalpel blade. So I'm going to put it on here. Here's my scalpel. I put it in the slot and press down. Okay. Here's a CA hinge. Right in the center. It could not be easier than this. It's just super easy. There you go.